Welcome to 20 days workshop on communication skills in English. Today we are going to start a new topic, pronunciation, introduction to pronunciation. We have to learn English pronunciation. It is must for us because there is a very important, substantial reason behind it. So the spelling system of English language is no doubt somewhat difficult. The spelling and the pronunciation, the spelling and the sound doesn't go hand in hand. That is the problem. Pronunciation and spelling. There is a mismatch, we can say, between pronunciation and spelling. Therefore, we have to learn English pronunciation. If we compare English language with, for instance, Hindi or Marathi, as far as Hindi is concerned, whenever I write, if I write k, I pronounce it as k. If I write g, I pronounce it as g. If I write m, then I pronounce it as m. If I write s, then I pronounce it as s. But as far as English language is concerned, the spelling and the pronunciation, the spelling and pronunciation are mismatched. These are the two different things, spelling and pronunciation. Here, certain words are given. We have to pronounce these words, and then we have to compare and contrast with the pronunciation. These words, for example, cast, C-A-S-T, cast. The second word is called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called. Then sail, band, woman, village, what. So these are the words. Here, the alphabet A is common. In every word, we find this alphabet A. In cast A, called A, sail A, then band A, woman A, village, here is also A. In what, here also A is there. So if we compare all these words, we'll find that the pronunciation of A, cast, called, or sail A, band A, woman village what or. It means the pronunciation of this alphabet is different in each word. The letter is the same, but the pronunciation is different. Therefore, we have to learn English pronunciation. And here are some words I'm going to pronounce. Though, through, thorough, tough, rough, bow, bought. These are the words. Now you will find the ending of the word, these words, GH. Here is also GH. Here is also GH. And GH, tough, rough, GH, bow, GH, bought, GH. So GH is there in every word, but the pronunciation is different. Though, O. Through, U. Thorough, O. Cuff, fur. Rough, fur. Bow, O. Bought, O. So from this also, it is very clear for us that the spelling and pronunciation in English language is mismatched. It doesn't go hand in hand. Therefore, we have to learn English pronunciation. There is one famous example that is often quoted. Here you will not find in this in these notes, but I'll tell you orally. GHOTI. GHOTI. How do you pronounce GHOTI? Naturally, you'll pronounce it as goti, but this is fish. The pronunciation of GHOTI is fish. How? For example, if you take rough, ROUGH, so GH is for tough. In tough, GH is for. Yes, so GHOTI. In goti, we find GH as somebody is disturbing. Just a minute. मेरा लेक्चर चल रहा है, मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ. ओके, बोलो सर. लेक्चर चल रहा है, मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ. इसलिए मैं लगा के रखता हूँ. क्या है वो लेक्चर? रिकॉर्ड कर रख देता हूँ. बोलना सर को थोड़ी देर बाद आपको. Sorry, there was disturb. So I was telling you that GHOTI. This is very important word, combination of alphabets. So the pronunciation of GHOTI is for fish. How? I told you that rough, ROUGH. So GH is for tough, TOUGH. So GH is for. And O, for example, if you take the word women, 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 the pronunciation is women. So here WO, the pronunciation of the alphabet O is E. So it becomes P. And TI. For example, you take examination, EXAMINATION. TI is sure. So GHOTI becomes fish. It means that there is no one-to-one relation between spelling and pronunciation. Spelling and pronunciation are mismatched. Therefore, we have to learn English pronunciation. So here we are going to study certain words: song, scent, descent, brass, assume, cement, fancy, pace, exercise, tax, psychology. These are the words. Here you'll find one common consonant sound, common consonant, and scent, song, descent, brass, assume, cement, fancy, pace, exercise, tax, psychology. So in psychology, B is silent, and here cement, assume, sir, S is also sir. In cement, C is also sir. In descent, S is also sir. So again, these are the examples. From these examples, we easily understand that the pronunciation of different alphabets can be the same, or same alphabet can be pronounced differently. Here are certain words: question, quiet, square, squash. Question, quiet, square, squash. So question, quiet, square, squash. Excuse, excite, box, exercise. Exact, examine, exist, exert. Unit, use, utilize, university. So question, cue, in these, set of words, one of the letters represents a combination of two sounds, que, and w, quite, and w, excuse, x, a, s, x. So box, a, s, box, u, unit, unit, combination of two, university. So here q is k and w, x is k and s, again x is g and z, u is u, y and u. So for example, if you take yes, so these are the combination of two words. It means that one single alphabet can have, when we pronounce it, it can be combination of two sounds. These are the two sounds. Q, k, w, x, k, s. These are the two sounds. Here, the sounds are represented in slanted lines. When slanted lines are there, it means it is a sound. If slanted lines are not there, then it means it is alphabet. Now, in the following pairs of words, some words are words are pronounced in a similar way. They are pronounced alike, even though spelling is different. For example, sail, sail. Spelling is different, but the pronunciation is the same. Quite, quite. Spelling is different, but pronunciation is the same. Rain, rain. Weather, weather. Rough, tough. Herd, herd. Rap, rap. Sweet, sweet. Peace, peace. Pain, pain. So the pronunciation is the same, but the spellings are different. From this also, it is proved that letters and sounds in English language are different. Therefore, most of the English speakers learn English pronunciation. They try to pronounce the words correctly, and they follow dictionary, pronunciation dictionary. Pronunciation in dictionary is different. I will show you in another class what is pronunciation dictionary and how we have to follow it, how we have to use it. So these are the words, and we have to calculate the words and the sounds, the alphabets and the sounds. For example, curry, C-U-R-R-Y. How many alphabets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 alphabets are there. Curry. But when we pronounce it, curry, only 3 sounds are there. Only 3 sounds, but 5 alphabets. Sign, S, A, E, and N. Sign means only 3 sounds are there. And how many alphabets? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 alphabets are there. And only 3 sounds are there. Box, B, O, K, S. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sounds are there, but only 3 alphabets are there. Common, K, O, M, N. Common. 4 sounds are there, but alphabets calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 alphabets are there and only 4 sounds are there. Live, L, A, E, V. Only 3 sounds are there and 4 alphabets are there. If you go on calculating, you'll find sounds are different and alphabets are different. And you know well that in English, how many alphabets are there? 26 A, B, C, D. If you calculate up to Z, you'll find 26 alphabets are there. But if we study English pronunciation, then you'll find 44 sounds in English. 44 sounds and 26 alphabets. Means sounds are more in number than the alphabets. So here some task is given that I will give you later on. Now we are going to study sounds. Leave behind now alphabet. We are not thinking of alphabet now. We are going to study sounds. Sounds in English, I told you just now that there are 44 sounds in English. These 44 sounds in English are divided into two categories: consonants and vowels. What they are called? Consonants and vowels. In Marathi, they are called swar ani vyanjan. Swar ani vyanjan. Consonants and vowels. So first we are going to see the symbols and pronounce the consonants in English. Consonant sounds in English. Here the reference is given of Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary of Current English. So our Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary you should buy, and in it you'll find guide to pronunciation. If you go through the dictionary, you'll find in every entry, every word, first the pronunciation is given, then parts of speech, noun, adjective, adverb that is given, then meaning and usage is given. So to find out correct pronunciation of a word, we have to follow Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary. And there is another dictionary, Dictionary of English Pronunciation by Daniel Jones. That dictionary I will show you later on. So these are the two dictionaries which are commonly used for pronunciation. Here we are going to learn symbols of the phonetic symbols of IPA symbols, and then their pronunciation. I told you that the English sounds are divided into two categories: consonants and vowels. First, we are going to study vowels. So here the first we are going to study consonants. These are consonants, These are the consonants. The first consonant sound is this one. You can see here, this one, the first consonant sound in English. So there is slanted line, this line and this line. When we put the sound symbol in the two slanted lines, it means it is sound. It is not alphabet. Students may get confused that this looks like, P, this alphabet, but it is not P. What it is P. It is P. So this phonetic symbol is P. Two lips are joined. When I pronounce it, two lips are joined. P. As in pin, spin, sip. Pin, spin, sip. B. This sound. Bus, tubs, rub. Bus, tubs, rub. B. This is the sound. B. Bus, tubs, and rub. Then T. T. Tap, stop, hut. Tap, stop, hut. This is T. T. And next one is D. D. Day, body, head. D. D. Day, body, head. Then this is K. It looks like K, this alphabet. It is K. For example, keys, sky, ek, K. Keys, sky, ek, K. Then G. It looks like G, but it is G. G, G, go. Ugly, dog. G, go, ugly, dog. And then this is ch, ch, ch. For example, chain, kitchen, match. Chain, kitchen, match. Ch, ch. This is j, j, jam, plunge, bridge. J, jam, bridge. Ch and j, ch and j. This is m. It looks like m. It is m. For instance, move, m. Small, m. Come, m. So this is m, this consonant. Then n looks like n in n alphabet, but the pronunciation is n. It is sound n, consonant sound n. Not, snake, bin, n. Then what it is? Listen carefully. It is n. For example, English, English, this sound. Bring, sing, ring, this sound. And let's move to the next consonant. This is f. Most of the Marathi speaker pronounce it wrongly. F, f. Marathi and Hindi speakers too, they pronounce it wrongly because this sound is not there in English as well as Hindi. So this is f, 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 f. When you pronounce f, at that time your lower lip raises against the upper teeth. F, lower lip and upper teeth. F. Practice at home. This is what somewhat difficult for Marathi speakers as well as Hindi speakers. F, fan, spear, calf, fan, calf, fan and calf. F. Then this is also difficult for Marathi speakers. V, lower lip, upper teeth. V. For example, in vein, shelves, sleeve, vein, shelves, sleeve. V. Then th. Sorry, this is not th. This is, oh yeah, it is th. Th sound is there in Marathi. Th, think, month, earth. Th, think, month, earth. And the next one is the. This is th, and the next one is the, that, bath, soothe, that, bath, soothe, the. Then sir, soul, cast, cast, press, soul, cast, press. Then zoo, zoo, noisy, breeze, Then this is sh, sh. Sh sound is there in Marathi. Sh. Ship. Ration. Brush. Ship. Sh. Ration. Sh. Brush. Sh. Then j. J. This is region. Region. Treasure. Treasure. Rough. Sorry. Rudge. Region. Treasure. Rudge. This is j. J. Then her. Her. Her sound is there in Marathi. Hit. Behave. Her. Behind. Her. Then l. L sound is there in Marathi also. L. Late. Allow. Late. Allow. Sail. Sail. L. Late. Allow. Sail. Then r. R. Rate. Arrest. Shrink. Rate. Arrest. Shrink. R. Then y. Y. It looks like J, but it is y. It looks like J, but what it is? Y. Y. Yoke. Yoke. U. Y-O-U. U. Beyond. Y. Beyond. And famous example is university. Y. University. Yes. For instance, yes. And this is W. It looks like W, but it is W. Word. Watch. Twist. Word. Watch. Twist. These are the consonant sounds. Hope that you understood it. Consonant sounds. These consonant sounds you have to practice. You have to practice. So practice करावं लागेल तुम्हाला. So p as in p, as in pin, spin, sip. B as in bus, tubs, rub. T as in tap, stop, hut. D as in day, body, head. K as in keys, sky. Ek, k. G as in go, ugly, dog. Ch as in chain, feature, match. J as in jam, plunked, bridge. M as in move, small, m. Come, m. Then n, n as in not, as in snake, as in bin. And as in brings, sings, ring. English. The sound. Then f as in fan, as in calf. F. V as in vein, as in cells, as in shells, sorry, as in sleeves. V. Th as in think, as in months, as in earth. Th. The as in death, as in baths, as in soothe. Sir as in soul, as in cast, as in press. Z as in zoo, as in noisy, as in breeze. Sh as in ship, as in ration, as in brush. J as in region, as in treasure. Her as in heat, as in behave, as in behind. L as in late, as in allow, as in sail. R as in rate, as in arrest, as in shrink. Y as in york, as in you, as in beyond, as in university. Verb, as in word, watch, twist. So these are the consonant sounds. Hope that it is now clear for you. We are again going to practice these consonant sounds. Dr, courage. Sh, pressure. The, that. Bring. Z, size. R, treasure. J, suggest. M, plumber. K, pocket. G, beggar. Ch, catch. N, knee. F, rough. Th, thought. Z, scissors. Sh, conscious. J, division. R, rhyme. F, graph. Sh, machine. S, descend. Z, reason. Sh, sugar. The weather. Year, new, year. Language. Wrong. Whole. Year, value. Year. Exact. Exact. So these are the consonant sounds. Hope that it is very clear for you now. Consonant and vowel. So here some examples are there. You have to practice pronouncing it. Then you have to identify the sound. These words I will give you as homework to pronounce and find out. Here we stop in this lecture. Once again, we'll meet in another next lecture and we will practice vowel sounds in English. So I stop here.